welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. And of course, you've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is a collab with some beautiful, gorgeous ladies on here on YouTube. This collab is called Easter Hunnies. It started out with Char from Fashion Nation, and she asked us girls want us to collab with her for this Easter, and of course this girl right here said yes because I love Char. Why not? And I love collabs. I think they're so much fun and so much fun, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new and came from the other ladies' channels, hi. There's never a dull moment on this channel. It's always something. Two cats. Sorry, my cat is asleep over here, and kids in the background, of course. But you know what? That's just life, you know. Never a dull moment. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I'm not. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you are having a great day and everything else, and hope you have a wonderful, blessed Easter. I love you guys. So we're going to Pastel this time. Yep. I'm not going to do the intro, but after I finish the look, because it is a collab. So it's called Easter Hunnies. I don't know what was that. So I already put eyeshadow primer, I did my eyebrows and everything else. Of course, all the products that I've used in this video will be linked down below, and also I do have affiliated links if you want to check them out. Most of them are really good deals. I'm always finding myself good deals, and I like to share good deals. So yeah, I'm going to use eyeshadow base I'm using is the Beauty Crop Stuck on You eyeshadow primer. I really do like this one. I am done with my Lonnie, which I'm kind of sad. I'm using white as an eyeshadow, more like an eyeshadow base, because I want these colors to be vibrant, because these are pastel, and usually pastel doesn't really work unless you have a white eyeshadow base. But you can use black to make a different look for that. So yeah, for this I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Forever Flawless and Soft Beautiful Butterfly. I thought it was perfect, and I got this at Target. Well, my brother bought it, but this is what the colors look like. Not that would be pretty. Since we are working with really pastel shades, we're going, this is like a very cool tone eyeshadow palette, which I really don't have. So I'm thinking about use Comma. It's this one right here. It's really, I'm going to set this eyeshadow base lightly. This one I'm using a E527 eyeshadow brush from Shop Miss A. Since we use Comma, I want to use, I'm going to use Larva. It's this nice pink shade right here. Actually, it's going to use this as a more of a crease. Like I said, this is a very pastel eye look. So I'm using a white base for this. The form is nice. This is my first time trying out the Forever Flawless eyeshadow palettes, and I really do like it. So, you know, I'm definitely have to collect more of these because I really like Makeup Revolution. Like I said, these are very pastel cool tone eyeshadows. I'm gonna use Pupa. This shade right here. This is such a pretty purple. And I'm going to put this in the outer V. And we'll put that into the crease. Just a tiny bit. I'm just using a small dome brush, and this is a E132. Like I said, I really do like this. Thinking about using the shimmers. That would be pretty for this collab because it's Easter and also spring. Like, when I think of spring and Easter, I think about pastel. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cookies and Dream No Budge eyeshadow one in Chill Zone Relax because I feel like this shade is this color right here makes a nice it's a periwinkle color and everything else, but I do feel like this will be pretty much a good eyeshadow base, which I do like to use these as an eyeshadow. I'm gonna use Change, and then after that we're gonna use a little bit of this shimmer. It's this shade right here. This is what I'm talking about. It's Change. It's a nice light blue. Like I said, it's a little bit like I said, it's a little really pastel colors and very cool tone. It looks really ashy, which I'm not surprised with these colors. Like, I'm not. I'll probably use these, except for the shimmers, as a way to find it. Snakes a little bit. I really like to use these. Oh, that's really pretty. I'll get that later. Okay. I love this for shimmers. I like this with, you know, pressed glitters and all that. You know, it is a glitter glue, but I do. Okay, I'm gonna use Fly. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna use Fly. It's this shade right here. Just to ready. Okay. Yep. I think I got these for the shade. And then I'm gonna use NYX, the Vivid Brights and Blossom. Like, I really do like their eyeliners. Okay, we're gonna use Ilia, which is one of my favorite clean beauty ones for high end. So this is like really, I really do enjoy this. I really do. Definitely springy, definitely Easter. Oh, I'm practically Easter butt, honey. So guys, this is it. this is the finished look. I really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this collab that Char from Fashion Nation, you know, I think she did good. You know, she came up with the name for it, Easter Hunnies, and I just like, yes, love to be part of it. And I'm glad I did. So guys, so this is the finished look. I really do enjoy this look. I really enjoy that palette I got. I'm definitely to get more of the Forever Flawless palette from Makeup Revolution. I think those are really pretty. I'm glad I got that palette, because when I do think about Easter and when I do think about spring, I think about pastel colors more than anything. And I'm definitely to get more pastel colors, more eyeshadow and eyeliners, and like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, right? Yeah. More makeup to buy, right? But I hope you follow the girls that is in this collab, Easter Hunnies. There is a playlist and everything else for you guys to check out. I highly recommend to subscribe to all of them. They're such sweethearts, and I really enjoy working with them in this collab. It was so much fun. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to be a part of the Makeup Addict family, we are drama-free and judgment-free zone. We don't put up with that on this channel at all. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos and all of that. I am trying to do my best of uploading more and more and more. So I got some cool stuff coming up. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and have a happy Easter. I love you guys. Bye. And God bless.